Hi, my name's John. Welcome to the first Sunday in May. On the first Sunday, I always do the monthly draw. I'm going to go upstairs, punch some buttons on the computer and see if I can find a winner. Right, Douglas Johansson, 3599. All you have to do is send me an email. That's my email address up there, and I'll get that prize pushed off you as soon as possible. I'm going to do another draw for this month. I do a draw every month, giving things away. Most of the things I give away have been given to me. It's just a little way of saying thank you for all the support and help I've had over the years with this YouTube channel of mine. If you want to enter the competition, all you have to do is obviously watch the video, subscribe to my channel, and then in the comments box you need to write a comment, and you need to write 2025 give away 5. Simple as that. No full stops, no capital letters, nothing like that. 2025 give away 5. And my computer will pick a random name out that's used that phrase, and I'll find a winner for the next one. I'm going to show you the prizes that are up for grabs this month. These are the prizes for this month's giveaway. Double boost cap, a set of Cleveland twist drills. These are very good drills from 0.5 to 10 mil. I don't get these given after buy them, you give them away. There's a little deburring tool there from my friend Rob at Extreme Plasma. Little bottle of anchor lube. If you want to try anchor lube, that's the eBay number to put in to get some. And a lovely little pair of internal calipers. I think they're Starrett. They're really nice. I've got 2 or 3 sets very similar. You can only use one at a time. That is a really nice bit of kit.